Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Venturi Flow Meter Calculator, a critical tool for determining fluid flow rates through Venturi meters in your piping systems. When you need to measure flow using pressure differential across a Venturi throat, this calculator instantly converts your field measurements into accurate flow data. Let's examine each input field. First, select your unit system. You can choose between metric with millimeters, kilopascals, kilograms per cubic meter, and liters per minute, or imperial with inches, psi, pounds per cubic foot, and gallons per minute. We'll use metric for this demonstration. Next, enter your pipe diameter D1 in millimeters. This is your upstream pipe dimension. Then input the throat diameter D2 in millimeters, the narrowest section of your Venturi. The pressure difference, delta P, goes here in kilopascals. This is your measured differential pressure between inlet and throat. Enter the discharge coefficient, CD, as a dimensionless value, typically between 0.95 and 0.99 for well-designed Venturis. Finally, input your fluid density ρ in kilograms per cubic meter. Let's work through an example. For a water system with pipe diameter 150 millimeters, throat diameter 75 millimeters, pressure difference 25 kilopascals, discharge coefficient 0.98, and water density 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Next, we simply click the Calculate Flow Rate button. The calculator returns three outputs: flow rate Q of 1,847 liters per minute, velocity at throat of 6.9 meters per second, and area ratio of 0.25. These outputs tell you your volumetric flow rate, the fluid velocity at maximum constriction, and the geometric relationship between throat and pipe areas. Remember, always verify your discharge coefficient against manufacturer data, as assuming 0.98 when it's actually 0.94 creates significant errors. Find the link in the description below.